Hey chickadees! Today we're going to be making a custom wrapped box using Mod Podge, paint, tissue paper, and an old Amazon box to try and create something that looks a little more unique than just wrapping something in the tissue paper that you can get from a big box store. So let's see how this goes, and thanks for checking it out. I already painted one side white. This is going to show through on the tissue paper. So yeah, why not? Be like, hey, try it, see if you like it. And nothing is permanent. Got some on me. Alright, peace out chickadees. Hey chickadees, how you doing up there? Man, this thing is never straight. You know what I mean? Like, annoying. Just do a little blah 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 blah. We got the Craft Smart from Michaels. We'll just throw it on our plate. Hopefully it looks pretty and not like trash, but we'll see. I'm disappointed. Much quicker this way. I want to try maybe like dabbing it. This? Oh. I'm just so grateful. I love this. This is fabulous. This or this? Let me know. The phone. I am lucky in the sense that I don't have kids. Do you like this side more? This side more? Hi. You guys. Brushes, foam brushes. You can't go wrong with a foam brush. Here is the tissue paper. Love that we got this. It says Happy Mother's Day. Purple plastic. Best mom ever. We'll play with it because I don't know if we should. I don't know how much I need to put down either. Big surprise. Let's go with that amount and see. We'll just go with this line. Everybody seemed to thoroughly enjoy it. Maybe we'll just go like this. You know, that's gonna play a part in it too. I always wanna be in my mouth. And she just did this. Oh frick, I forgot we're supposed to go a little bit over. It's not done, but like done enough. This is the bottom. Fuck it. We'll see what happens. Alright. We have this excess on the side, so we're gonna Mod Podge our edges here. And so here is this side. I do love this. Peace out. Hey, we did our box. We're just gonna roll with it. We're just gonna wing it. We're all terrified. Well, not really terrified. I just don't like to know that they're here. From there, Mod Podge, gonna squeeze it back out. And I waste a lot. All right, go a little over the edge. That's not looking nice. That's it. Like, genuinely, not every day is gonna be a rock star day. Chaos. Our chaotic middle that laid over so nicely before final presentation. Okay for now. So I'm like, what's painted? So we got that. We did it. Here and here. I mean, Mod Podge. These guys. Peace. I can get. Hi. I was using these guys. This is kind of what it looks like. I don't. Grumpy pants, things were frustrating. So of course, what do we use? Packing tape, just to make sure like what the bottom looks like. Nice. My favorite side, just because. Here is our fabulous top. One side, bam. The other side, bam. And even the bottom just looks absolutely phenomenal. Thanks. Peace out, chickadees.